Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm really excited to talk about WrestleMania 41, which will be held in Las Vegas in 2025. And there is a lot to look forward to. First of all, let's talk about Bloodline story. As we know all, the Survivor Series will feature a big match between OG Bloodline and the new Bloodline. In the OG Bloodline, we have Jey Uso, Jimmy Uso, Sami Zayn, and Roman Reigns. On the other hand, the new Bloodline will have Solo Sikoa, Tama Tonga, Tanga Lola, and Jacob Fatu. There's a twist here. The Rock might return at Survivor Series 2024 or even later, maybe during the New Year's event on Raw when Raw moves to Netflix. Now let's talk about the Men Royal Rumble 2025. There are three big names everyone talking about: Roman Reigns, The Rock, John Cena. The biggest match fans are waiting for is Roman Reigns versus The Rock. WWE wanted to give this match to the fans last year, but fans wanted to see Cody Rhodes finish the story instead. If Roman Reigns wins the Royal Rumble, we could see a third match between Roman Reigns and Cody Rhodes. They had two amazing matches before. Roman Reigns won at WrestleMania 39 and Cody Rhodes won at WrestleMania 40. So their third match could be legendary. Another possibility is that Rock wins the Royal Rumble and challenge Cody Rhodes, or we could see even a triple threat match: Cody Rhodes versus The Rock versus the Roman Reigns. I personally think the best match for WrestleMania 41 would be Roman Reigns versus The Rock. WWE also pushing Solo Sikoa to bigger things. We saw him pin John Cena in 2023. He also pinned Roman Reigns this year, but what if Jacob Fatu betrays Solo as the tribal chief along with Tama Tonga and Tanga Lola? That would set up an amazing match at WrestleMania 41, Solo Sikoa versus Jacob Fatu. And if Jacob betrays Solo, we might also see the Usos, Jey Uso and Jimmy Uso get involved, leading to another match at WrestleMania, the Usos versus Tama Tonga and Tanga Lola, possibly for the tag team titles. Next up is Judgment Day. Let's talk about Finn Balor. He was the first ever Universal Champion back in SummerSlam 2016 but had to give up due to injury. In 2023, he had another shot at the World Heavyweight Championship but also lost to Seth Rollins. Finn could have been one of the biggest stars, but many fans feel he became a joke, especially after Damian Priest beat him at Bad Blood 2024. I predict we will see a rematch between Finn Balor and Damian Priest at WrestleMania 41, but this time with Demon Finn Balor. If Finn doesn't win, I think it might be end of the him. Fans also want to see Rhea Ripley versus Liv Morgan, but I think an even better match would be an intergender match between Rhea Ripley and Dominic Mysterio. For Liv Morgan, I believe Io Sky will win 2025 Women's Royal Rumble and challenge Liv Morgan, so we could see Rhea Ripley versus Dominic Mysterio on night 1 and Liv Morgan versus Io Sky on night 2. CM Punk versus Seth Rollins. Since CM Punk returned at Survivor Series, fans have been dying to see him face Seth Rollins. They only had one single match before, back in 2013, but their real life rivalry makes this match must see. WWE does not plan to make either of them heel for this feud, which is rare. Fans will buy into the tension because let's be honest, people believe CM Punk has some real life issue with Seth. There's also talk about Goldberg and John Cena having their final matches at WrestleMania 41. Gunther insulted Goldberg at the WWE Bad Blood in Atlanta, so that lead to a retirement match for Goldberg. But if John Cena wins the Royal Rumble, we could see him in two matches, one against Cody Rhodes and other against Gunther. Fans believe Cena should break Ric Flair's record and win his 17th title. But if Cena faces Gunther, the question is who should face Goldberg. I think Drew McIntyre would be the best option. Now let's talk about women's matches. One match we might see is Bianca Belair versus Jade Cargill after they lose their tag titles, with one of them betraying the other. Another match we could see Nia Jax versus Charlotte Flair, with Tiffany Stratton cashing in her Money in the Bank contract to win on the biggest stage. There is some uncertainty about who Randy Orton will face at WrestleMania 41. He has expressed his interest in facing John Cena, but another option is Logan Paul. LA Knight vs Kevin Owens. A great match would be LA Knight vs Kevin Owens for the US Championship. Kevin Owens has been acting a bit out of touch lately, and it would be fun to see LA Knight give him a reality check. There are few options for AJ Styles at WrestleMania 41, but he might end up losing, which would be heartbreaking for many fans. His opponents could be Carmelo Hayes or Andrade, but another option could be Logan Paul if Randy Orton doesn't face him. Lastly, there's some tension between Kofi Kingston and Xavier Woods. We might see a match between the two, and the twist could be special guest referee who's friends to both of them, which is Big E. That's it for today. What are your predictions for WrestleMania 41? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.